In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView drawing templates. By the end, you'll know how to set up a drawing the way you like it and save those settings so you can reapply them in just a couple of clicks. First, open tradingview.com in your browser. This takes you to the platform where we'll work. On the left, you'll see the toolbar and a way to choose what market you want to view. Select the symbol you're interested in from the left side and click it so the chart loads. If you're on a simple preview page, look for the option that says full chart and click that to open the full featured charting workspace. Now let's pick the tool we'll use for the template. From the left drawing toolbar, find and click XABCD pattern. This is one of TradingView's harmonic pattern tools, but the process we're about to use works the same for many drawing tools on the platform. With the tool active, draw a pattern on the chart. Click to place your points along the highs and lows where you want X, A, B, C, and D. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always drag the anchors to adjust the shape and placement after you've plotted it. Once the pattern is on the chart, you can customize your drawing. This is where you set it up exactly how you prefer. You can change colors, line thickness, label visibility, and other style options so the pattern is readable and consistent with your charting layout. Clear, consistent styling saves time and prevents confusion when you have multiple drawings. When you're happy with how it looks, right-click on the drawing to open its context menu, then click Settings. In the Settings window, look for the Template drop-down. This is the menu that lets you manage reusable presets for this specific tool. Click the Template drop-down and choose Save As. Enter a template name that makes sense to you, something descriptive so you'll recognize it later, and click Save. That's it, you've created a drawing template. From now on, when you select the XABCD pattern tool, you can open the same template menu and pick your saved preset to instantly apply your preferred styles and visibility options. This keeps your workflow fast and consistent, especially if you analyze many charts or switch between multiple drawing styles. If you ever need to tweak it, edit the drawing settings, and save again under the same name or as a new template, depending on your needs. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your TradingView workflow with drawing templates.